to Transform 2025. So this conference is really about exploring the way we work or how we can potentially work even better. So we're reshaping the way we work, connect, and grow.
At Transform 2025, we are not just here to talk about new technologies. We are here to discover how we can make it work for us. The future belongs to those who are ready to move faster, smarter, with purpose. Together, I believe we can elevate our industry and create a lasting value.
Transform 2025 is more than just a conference, it's a launchpad for meaningful change. This is our opportunity to seize the moment and lay the foundation for the future of our industries, businesses, and nation. We are gathered here because the world we are building requires not only innovation, but also collaboration, resilience, and the courage to lead.
So I hope our conference today, with new ideas, fresh perspectives, and a renewed passion for digital transformation. I know it sounds like it's a challenge, there's a lot to do, but it's also very exciting. I think this is a journey that I think all of us can journey together to support and inspire each other along the way.